Hello and welcome to the Surface 11 Search Box tutorial series, made especially for interior designers and architects like you to access the world's finest award-winning materials and surfaces. This is tutorial 4, How to Explore Product Details. Let's say you are interested in this product here, 203 Cool Black by Moza. Hovering over the item brings up a brief summary, including details like brand and application. Clicking on it takes you to a dedicated page with detailed product information. Here, you can look at more images by clicking on them. If the product is available in additional shapes or sizes, they would show up here for you to select. This product is currently available in both rectangle and square shape. The sizes below change according to the shape selected. Choose your desired size once you have chosen the shape. Then you have the product details section, which tells you almost everything about your selection, like where it is manufactured, the type of finish, packaging information for the product size, etc. That's it for tutorial 4, How to Explore Product Details.